यूज जाता ते ग्राउंडार म्हाका दिसता पयशे मोडपाची गरज आहा. And this is the need of the hour for this. This could be a cricket ground and that is the football ground. म्हणजे अशें जावपाक जाय, एक वाटेन cricket ground, एक वाटेन football ground. I will put this proposal in writing, बेश्टे उतरांनी न्हू, in writing to the director of sports, to the minister of sports and to the chief minister.